Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. Here I will show you how to use WhatsApp shared message. Open WhatsApp app. Open any chat. You want to bookmark your important message in your device to quickly access from any screen on WhatsApp. Tap on hold message. You want to select single or multiple message. Tap on star icon. Now tap back. You can access the shared message to open three vertical dots. Tap on a shared message. Here you can see list of shared messages. Tap on it. When you tap on it, you can go to the main contact you shared message on your device. It's quite helpful to use your important message quickly access from any screen. To unstar, tap on again, tap on a star to unstar message in your device. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.